just got another fixed blade from White Mountain Knives. Let's check it out. So this right here, y'all, is the MKM MIKRO 1. Now, this is the little brother to the MAKRO 2, which I got from White Mountain Knives as well. I absolutely love this sheath. I mean, look at this thing. So thick, it's a beauty. And then the version that I got is the MAKRO 2. So the MAKRO 2 is actually a sheep's foot blade. The MAKRO 1 is a drop point, and this is M390. It's a Jesper Voxnay's design. Love the balance on this thing, and look at the jimping right across there. It just feels so good in hand. Another one of my favorites right here. This is the Lookout by Big Idea Design, and take a look at that. But yeah, I don't want to miss that thing. I got this new whole POV thing going on right now. I know everyone has this stationary like top down shot when they're doing unboxing, but just bought this new thing from Amazon, and it allows me to do a POV shot of reviews without having a stationary shot. So my phone's kind of hanging on my neck right now while I'm doing this, so I kind of have to look over my camera to make sure I don't stab myself, because that's not gonna be fun. But let's check this out. So this is the MKM MIKRO 1 drop point black G10. So opening this up, you have yourself this leather lanyard, because this can be worn as a neck knife. Now, they also sell a Kydex sheath that comes separate with this knife, because this one actually comes with this. Oh, look at that. The magnet's already sticking on there. This comes with a leather sheath, nicely built and constructed as well. And then you can feed that through that hole right there. And this magnet, very, very strong. Now let's take a look at the blade. So small little guy, they have this little guard there. Take a look at that. M390, super small knife. Okay, let's look at the balance. Yep, balance is very nice. This is how big it is in hand, just to give you guys a point of view look. So I got 2 fingers on there pretty much, and I'm able to get some jimping right up top, get me some nice fine cuts. I can add a lanyard here, which I'm going to do. Maybe I'll use this to create that little lanyard there, who knows. But that goes in this sheath. Now this is an ambidextrous sheath. You can wear this left-handed or right-handed. What you do is you just feed it right in through there. Now that magnet is already catching that blade. Thing's not falling out. Very strong. So you go in and then you feed this thing over like such, or you can feed it over this way. But I think this is the right way to do it, like so. If you have it as a neck knife, boom, you just pull it out, ready to go. I think you can also have this in your pocket. So how you do that is you clip it like so, and this clips on the outside of your pocket, and then you just feed this knife into here. And now, did I get that in right? No, I didn't. Okay, so I gotta come in at an angle. Right? Okay, so that completely covers it. So if I'm wearing it, because I'm a lefty, if I wear it in my pocket, it's going to be like so. And then you can't, this isn't strong enough, so when you pull it out of your pocket, you're going to actually pull this entire thing out. That's how you'll be able to clip this on your pocket. But this is like a really good 5th pocket knife. Way too small to be in your front pocket, I believe, unless you get one of their Kydex sheaths. But taking a look at this here, so this is the G10 scales, which is so crazy because it looks, oh no, I see the difference now. This is the carbon fiber scales. Let's look at the size comparison. So that's what you're looking at there, barely above the actual handle itself, if I'm just comparing the end pieces where the lanyard goes. Now you look at it full tang, both knives, jimping is in similar areas, and that's its little brother right there. Very nice knife though. It feels good in hand, even though it's so small. Let's pull that out, ready to go. Now get you some small cuts. But even this one, not too large. And I really like how this feels in hand. Really do. That is the MKM MIKRO 1 drop point G10. You can find this on White Mountain Knives. They're currently going for, I believe, a little under $100. Really nice fixed blade. Check it out. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Peace. Kapow.